Understanding, grind one's gears, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we have an interesting idiom to unpack: grind one's gears. This phrase might sound a bit mechanical at first, but it's a colorful way to express feelings in English. Stick around as we dive into its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Grind one's gears is an idiom that means something annoys, irritates, or frustrates someone greatly. It's similar to saying something gets on one's nerves. Imagine the gears in a machine grinding against each other. It's not smooth, it's noisy, and it suggests something is not working right. That's how someone feels when their gears are being ground by something or someone. This idiom gained popularity from the American animated TV show, Family Guy. In a recurring segment, the character Peter Griffin would say, "You know what really grinds my gears?" followed by a rant about various topics. Despite its more recent popularization, the expression uses the metaphor of grinding gears, which has been around for much longer, to depict friction and irritation in human emotions and interactions. Let's see grind one's gears in action with a few examples. Loud chewing really grinds my gears. I can't stand it when people eat noisily next to me. It really grinds my gears when people are late to meetings. It shows a lack of respect for others' time. Do you know what grinds my gears? When people use their phones during a movie. It's so distracting. These examples show how the phrase can express annoyance over a wide range of situations, from minor pet peeves to more significant grievances. 1. Understand the context. This idiom is informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or when expressing personal feelings. 2. Be mindful of your audience. While it's a humorous way to express frustration, ensure it's appropriate for the situation and won't be misinterpreted. 3. Pair it with examples. To clarify your point and make your conversation more engaging, follow up the phrase with specific examples of what irritates you. And there you have it, folks. Grind one's gears is a vivid idiom that adds flavor to your language while expressing annoyance or frustration. We hope this video not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you understand the nuances of expressing emotions in English. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery, so embrace these colorful expressions and use them to enhance your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.